I think guys like all different kinds of women. I really believe that to be true. So my job, especially because I'm straight, and a lot of stuff, I think a lot of stuff does function on sexuality, whether people believe that or not. My job is to kind of seduce men into voting Democrat or being a Democrat. Historically, that's been the job of somebody in my position. And I just don't think that you're willing to do it, to listen, because you're afraid that somebody would make fun of you or something. Like because I get the male ego is fragile. It really is. And that's the truth. That's how you know I'm a female. Like, you want to know? There, fucking take that and make it into an essay, you dumbass. I don't read your essays because I know, like, the things that I've written are fucking brilliant. Like, I know what brilliant sounds like. I know, like, Natalie Wynn was brilliant. You tried tearing the shit out of her, too. Making her not woke, making her dumb, capitalist, egregious, you know. Like, she was brilliant. She was literally the most brilliant theatrical. She went to Juilliard. She had, like, went to Georgetown. She went to, and you try to, like, make her not cool enough to be, like, representative of the it's just gross. These people, and though that's got to come from the Republicans, right? That's the strategy. I don't get it. Why are you such pussies about that? I don't get it. Natalie's hot. I don't get it. I would fuck her. I'm straight. I like guys. No, it's not like a knock against her. I think she's beautiful. But, like, I don't know. I'm kind of pansexual. I don't want to, like, scare you off with my language. I think, like, there's been a lot of men throughout history that have appreciated the lesbian, the idea, the fantasy that an attractive woman would make love to another woman in a nice romantic way, in a way that shows you how to make love to a woman, so you know what the fuck you're doing, because clearly a lot of you don't, from my experience. Like, it's been, like, I don't want to say anything that's gonna insult people. I think a lot of these white women are fucking up. I don't know. I feel like I'm paying for their sins somehow. But but chances are there was a way that you collared them too. You had more time to get them to lose their faith. Oh my God. I'm more fighty. And, like, I believe in the goodness of people. It's a job of the transcendentalists to believe in that. They lived in a time of slavery. I'm not, like, I just don't have example. I don't think, like, it's just a situation where I know that, like, I'm surrounded by evil. And there's a Seven Dust song about that. And that's because it was somebody, a leftist no less, that was so spiteful that his girlfriend was not putting out or something, that he wanted to blame all her like, it was all her fault. Their lives sucked. All of his pain was all her fault. So, like, but I get it, because it was in those moments when I realized, that's when I believed that, like, the rich women were behind my problems, because that's who was, in my opinion, that's who kind of runs down Madison. So it's confusing. They were probably manipulated, and still are. What difference does it make? I'm just one life. My life doesn't matter. I don't have the money to help anyone. So you might as well just kill me.